Today's lesson introduced simple directional language using drones. Pupils practiced giving and following directions such as forward, left and stop, whilst imagining how drones might move in the air. The activity supported working memory, cognitive flexibility, as well as helping learners think carefully and work together. The class showed great excitement and determination, as well as their drones building confidence and communicating directions.
You need directions, yes. So you need to be able to understand the directions. So, let's say from here, I want to get to the back wall. What do I do?
No.
What directions are you going to give me?
Forward.
Move forward, okay. I go forward. I go forward, and I reach the wall, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, let's say I start back here at the beginning. I want to get to the bookshelf. How do I get to the bookshelf?
I go that way. Go this way.
Oh, this way?
No. This way.
This way?
This way.
This way?
No.
This way? You need to be specific. This way, this way, or this way? Oh, right. Okay. Right, yes? Right?
Yeah.
Go right, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, teacher calling go right.
No, left.
Oh, okay, go left. Okay, turn left. Okay.
Forward.
Forward, okay.
And turn right.
Okay, turn right. Okay.
Forward.
Forward, okay.
Right.
Right.
Yes. Left.
Left, okay.
Forward.
Forward,